Anxiety relief is one of my best sellers, and this is how I got into essential oils. My anxiety was really bad after having my son, and I needed something to help me calm. So to use anxiety relief, you put it on your wrists, behind your ears, and then if you're really feeling like not okay, like sometimes I would feel like tense and stuff, and so then I'd also apply this and roll it onto my chest as well. Now after rolling it on to those different areas, take the time to massage it in. And then take the time to breathe it in. On days that I'm feeling more stressed out, I'll use this more often. Anxiety relief is one that I always keep in my purse. Grab yours today and keep it with you so you have it when you need it.